number one, I apologize. I made a big mistake in a few of my videos when it was about consumption and when I can see the instant consumption of the motor. What I did is I took the number that the motor is using right now and said this is the average consumption kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, and that's just wrong. I saw that in a Kona electric video, city consumption, that the instant consumption of the motor was different than the average consumption at the moment, and I didn't understand why. And I said that in the video, and then somebody pointed it out. Thank you very much, by the way. Totally right, that I'm an idiot. Because when you drive 60 kilometers per hour, for example, and like in the Renault Zoe video that I did, which was totally wrong, that the motor takes 3 kilowatt. That doesn't mean that I'm using 3 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. No, because 60 kilometers per hour means I need 1.33, I'm not good at math, hours to get to 100 kilometers, and then I have to go back and then hours so to get kilowatt hour. So the real number is 5. I need 5 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers when I drive 60 straight in the Renault Zoe. So a lot of my videos are just totally wrong. I'm so sorry. Please forgive